Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I got from my Secret Santa. Got it a couple weeks ago, and just haven't shared it. So it says the perfect Christmas, because she knows that I love cats, and it has a cute little cat and paws. So let's jump into it. First item I got was a hot cocoa gift set. It is a 90s Nickelodeon mug, and it comes with Nestle hot cocoa mix. She knows that I love the 90s because we had a conversation about it. Love it. So it's the first item I got. Next, she got me a rose quartz soothing depuffing stone facial massage roller, and I've always wanted one of these, so I'm super excited to try it. So yeah, got that. She also got me a Bang energy drink, but I already drank that like the first day that I got this, so won't be in here. But then she got me a Stella Rosa, the original pink, and yeah, it looks really good. A low alcohol grape wine, specialty with natural flavors. Then I got several lip glosses. The Smoke and Mirrors from Five Below, I'm guessing, because I don't know anybody else that carries that. Let's see if I can get. So I got several of these. They're just red, peach, clear. Let's see what else. I think there's one more. And then another red. So we got lip glosses. And then we got Trident gum. Can always use gum in my purse. And it's pink. Hello, she knows me. So, and then I'll dump out the rest. These are like little chocolates, I believe. And she wants to play with them, of course. So, strawberry daiquiri cocktail. They're really cute. Mexican coffee. I've never seen these before, but they're really cute. French coffee. Cosmopolitan cocktail. That's mine, ma'am. Mojito cocktail. Margarita. A Cuban coffee. And the last one is Irish coffee. So yeah, this is all that I got from her, excluding the energy drink that I already drank. And I just think this stocking is super cute because she knows I love cats, of course. My baby number 1 and my baby number 2 over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you very soon. Thank you so much for watching.